Hello and welcome. Imagine this. You walk into a store and see a sparkling black diamond ring. The seller swears it's 100% genuine, the price sounds tempting, and the shine is absolutely stunning. But here's the catch. What if that diamond in your hand isn't a diamond at all? This is not a rare scam. In recent years, fake black diamonds have flooded the market, and some of them are so convincing that even untrained experts could be fooled. The result? Thousands of dollars gone in an instant. That's why today I'm going to share two simple methods you can try at home. No expensive tools, no gemology degree required to check whether your black diamond is real or fake. Method 1. The fog test, breath test. Here's the idea. Genuine diamonds, whether black or clear, are incredible at conducting heat. This means they repel moisture instantly. How to do it? 1. Clean the stone with a soft cloth so there's no dust or grease. 2. Hold it close to your mouth. 3. Gently breathe on it like you're fogging up a mirror. 4. Watch the fog. If it disappears in under 2 seconds, that's a strong sign it's real. If the fog stays for 3 seconds or more, it's likely fake, possibly cubic zirconia or glass. Method 2. Magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe inspection. Natural black diamonds are rarely perfect. They usually have tiny natural inclusions, sharp facet edges, and a metallic-like luster. How to inspect? 1. Get a magnifying glass, 10 times as best, or a jeweler's loupe. 2. Place the stone under bright light. 3. Look for small spots or irregular lines inside. Strong but slightly metallic shine, not smooth glassy luster. Crisp, sharp edges on the facets, not rounded or overly smooth. If you spot bubbles or a perfectly uniform glassy look, that's a giveaway, it's not a diamond. Important tip, these two methods give you a good first impression, but for a 100% guaranteed result, you'll need a professional gem lab test. But here's the thing, there are even stronger tests that can expose the most convincing fakes, like the water test, scratch test, and UV light inspection. I'll be covering these in the next video, and I promise, after watching, no seller will ever be able to trick you again. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it, because the next video could save you thousands of dollars.